Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. Last week I went out for a drink with some old friends, and during the course of the evening one of my friends revealed that when she was 19 she'd actually had an abortion, something she'd never told us before. And as she was recounting the story of what happened, she basically said that it had been an unplanned pregnancy, that she wasn't together with the father for a long time, and that basically she felt that at that point in time she wasn't in a position where she would be able to bring up a child on her own. So she made the big decision to terminate the pregnancy, to have an abortion. And she basically said that after much soul searching she came to the conclusion that that was the best thing to do. When we talk about soul searching, we basically mean careful thought about your beliefs and your moral positions, because you believe that it's important to behave in a decent, moral kind of way. So you might say, for example, after much soul searching, I basically came to the conclusion that I couldn't vote in the election because none of the parties really represented me. At the moment here in the UK, as the full impact of Brexit finally starts to become apparent, we often hear that we're going through a period of national soul searching. Maybe when countries reach a point of crisis, you go through this period of national soul searching to try and understand how you got to where you are and how you can get out of this. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of decisions that people you know reached after much soul searching, or times when your country went through a period of soul searching.